So now let's see how we can work around with the table formatting option inside of Google Slides. So over here you can see that I have a table, and in order to access its format options, I can simply select this around, and over here you can see that format option becomes available. Once I click on it, we can see that the format options just become available like this. I can also go around, I can right click and click on format option right here, and this is how it seems right here. If I were to go on the right side, you can see that there's size and rotation, and I can expand this out. I can increase out the width. You can see that all of them increases and decreases the width at the same time, as you can see right here. So I can increase and decrease the width right here and increase and decrease the height. So you can see that the overall cells and everything, they equally get distributed when I do so. I can increase and decrease the width scale and height as well, or lock the aspect ratio and make sure that they increase and decrease the height at the same time as well. So that's what you can do with size and rotation. Then you have position, so you can go around and then go around with the center. So you can push them out from the center right here, as you can see. So 0, 0 means the exact center in this case. But if I were to go to top left, then what happens is that it calculates from top left. So it's 1.53 inch from top left, while it's 1.39 from top right here. So if I were to go over here onto center or top left, you can see that that is how you can choose. And then you have text fitting right here. So you can indent the text right here. So you can see that this is the change that is happening. You can indent from right. If it is right aligned right here, you can indent from right as well, as you can see. And you can go around into first lines or hanging line. If you have any paragraph as such, let's just go around right here. So you can go around into first line, just like this. So you can go around and then edit this out. So I'm just going to copy and paste this to make it seem like it's a bunch of paragraph right here. And this is the first line, as you can see right there. So these are the first line, or I can go on to hanging right here, which indents the bottom lines right there. So that is how you can work around with it. And then I can just go around. So this 0.01, that's the minimum value right here. I just went full screen. Anyway, 0.01 right there, that is the minimum value, as you can see. You can also work around with the padding from the top, padding from the bottom, padding from the left right here, and then you can go on padding from the right as well. So that is how you can arrange out the content in your table inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.